Okay, so look. You have your property here, so that's this. So see how it was addition? Oh, you can't see. See how this is addition? And then it's property of logs, because it's addition, it's multiplication. This is a product property. So it's that x here, and this x minus 12 here. So they come together side by side to multiply, and then they're going to go ahead and multiply. X times x is x squared. X times negative 12 is negative 12x. And so then there's your 4/3 to this, okay? So they kind of skip a bit of a step. All right, so we're looking at 2. Again, this is the product property. So this is log of 4 is x times x minus 6, right? Because it's this times this argument value, right? It's the product of the two values, yes? And then equal to. Okay, I'll do one more step because they kind of, they didn't show it here. So this one matches what's up here. Okay, so what they didn't show is they didn't show the step prior where you're going to go ahead and distribute. So distribute that x. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. And now, so this is a step that it didn't show in the middle here. Now we're going to go ahead and write in exponential form. So we're going to go from log to exponential. Okay, so what is it? You start at the base, 4. That's my exponent squared, right? 4 squared, and it's equal to this argument or value, x squared minus 6x. Yeah? Okay, this becomes 16. And now you're going to have to factor. So this 16 must come over here as my c value, and now it's set equal to 0, because if you have to solve a quadratic, you have to set it equal to 0. This is a must. Otherwise, you can't solve. You can't factor if it's not set equal to 0. Huh?
How you got the add or subtract 16 at the end?
Oh, because it's positive on the left. So then you're crossing the equal sign. So then if it's positive 16, you come over, and so it's negative. Your inverse operation? Yeah. Okay, so now if we go through the factoring, what two numbers multiply to negative 16 but add subtract to negative 6?
So wait, that's the answer?
Oh, yeah. Okay, so you get 2 and negative 8? 2 and negative 8? Okay, so Angela. Thank you, Angela. 2 and negative 8. I was going through my steps because I was like, I wasn't looking for the numbers. I was going through again because I'm like, I better not make an algebraic mistake because that would be terrible. Okay, so good. So 2, negative 8. These are your two values, right? So in factored form, I really should have wrote on another paper. I didn't realize it was going to be so long. X plus 2, x minus 8, but now, yeah, like literally, I need space. But now you have to put it into, remember, you have to solve. This is factored form. This is factored. I don't want factored, but I do need it. I want solved. So if you're going to solve it, you need to perform the 0 product property, which remember how you set both of them equal to 0? So what's the shortcut? You opposite, right? So what are my two values of x? Perfect. Okay, as much as you're like, oh, the factoring, I know, we're getting back into it. It's gonna be used quite a bit moving forward. It's gonna be in your cubic functions, your polynomial functions, your rational functions. So just make peace with the factoring, and I'll give you guys a sheet where we will review your factoring. Okay. And if some of them you get and some of them you don't, it's typical. That's the way factoring goes. All right, this one's kind of long, so let me just cut the video.